In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling efficiently and effectively. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process of scheduling an appointment with ease. So grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First things first, head over to the Acuity scheduling website. It's a user-friendly platform designed to take the hassle out of managing appointments, whether for personal use or for your business. Once the web page loads, you'll notice a login button prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. This is your gateway to accessing your Acuity dashboard and all its features. Upon clicking Login, you're prompted to enter your email address. It's important to use the email address associated with your Acuity account to avoid any login issues. Type it into the designated field. With your email entered, the next step is to click Next. This action will navigate you further into the login process. Now you have the option to continue with Google. This is a handy feature for those who prefer a quick, secure way to log in without remembering another password. Click on it and then select the Google account you wish to use. Make sure it's the same account associated with your Acuity scheduling to ensure a smooth login process. Once logged in, it's time to get familiar with the Acuity calendar. You can find it by following the provided link or navigating through the Acuity dashboard. The calendar is at the heart of Acuity, allowing you to view your schedule, manage appointments, and much more. To schedule a new appointment, click on a date that suits you on the calendar. A well-designed interface lets you view the available dates clearly, so selecting the right one should be a breeze. Once you've clicked on a date, look for an empty time slot that fits your schedule. Clicking on it will prompt you to choose the type of appointment you'd like to schedule. Acuity offers a diverse range of appointment types, so select the one that matches your needs. After selecting your appointment type, it's essential to add the client's name. This step is straightforward, but crucial for keeping your schedule organized and personalized. Simply type the name into the specified field. Before you proceed, take a moment to double check the date and time of the appointment. It's always a good idea to ensure everything is correct to avoid any misunderstandings or scheduling conflicts. A visual confirmation will be visible for your review. The final step in the scheduling process is to click on Schedule Appointment. This action confirms the appointment and saves it to your Acuity calendar. Congratulations! You've successfully scheduled an appointment using Acuity, and that's it. You've just navigated the essential steps of setting up an appointment with Acuity scheduling. As you've seen, the platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, streamlining the scheduling process so you can focus on what truly matters. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you interact with the software, the quicker you'll become at managing your appointments effectively. A few additional tips to keep in mind include exploring Acuity's customization options for appointment types, setting up reminder emails or text messages for your clients, and integrating Acuity with your personal or business calendar. Acuity scheduling can significantly simplify your appointment management, whether you're handling meetings, consultations, or sessions. By following the steps outlined today, you'll be well on your way to harnessing the full potential of this powerful tool. That wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope this guide has made you feel more confident about using Acuity scheduling. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on making the most out of your scheduling software and other productivity tools. Happy scheduling!